Here is my 1994 Mazda RX7 TwinTurbo in Chaste White with tan interior. It's base model with sunroof and leather, no bows, no spoiler, no rear wiper, no fog lights. It has stance coilovers on it, axis wheels, HKS high power exhaust with the high flow catalytic converter and downpipe from Rotary Performance. They did a new engine, a brand new engine, about 20,000 miles ago. It was about a $8,000 or $9,000 bill for that, for the previous owner. I picked this up in Lake Charles, Louisiana about a year ago. The enthusiast that I bought it from has every record ever done to it on PDF. I also added the R1 front lip. I just did the LED bumper lights a few weeks ago. I think it's a nice touch. It's all factory paint, all factory panels, in just about perfect condition. Body has 115,000 miles on it. I ran it at the track the other day for the first time. I put the video up here on YouTube. I ran a 13.6 on street tires. I don't really know how to drag race very good. It's not why I bought the car, but I went to an event and got pressured into doing it. So I think stock they quarter at 13.7, so I was happy with that time. It does have Apex intake, the dual intakes. Also has the PFC Commander with a bass tune, so it's always run stock boost. I guess the 810-8 configuration. It does have factory intercooler, but I don't know if you can tell how clean the body is, and there's absolutely no dents, no dings, no real scratches in the paint at all. It does have a couple pieces, parts where it's been touched up. That right there, maybe a few other spots. But I'll make another video of the exhaust note. I saw some people that were doing that. Interior is also tan wasn't my favorite choice, but it's so clean that I couldn't pass it up. Bought it for $11,500 a year ago. I've done all the upgrades. I also did a double DIN radio with Pandora and iPod interface. But it's an awesome car. I love it. It's fast enough for me. And that's basically my 94 RX7 TwinTurbo in a nutshell.